The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Did you know that every 65 seconds, another person in the United States develops Alzheimer's? A truly alarming statistic about the silent cognitive decline that is quietly attacking the elderly community. It doesn't stop there. Another heartbreaking truth is that after age 60, our bodies can lose up to 8% of muscle mass per decade, leading to risks of falls, fractures, and even premature death if timely intervention is not taken. Have you ever felt your legs become heavier when climbing stairs, or noticed your memory starting to betray you with forgotten names of acquaintances or important appointments? Don't lose heart just yet, because the solution may lie right in your familiar morning cup of coffee, if you know how to turn it into a medicine for restoring strength. According to a recent review by Dr. Rodrigo Cunha from the University of Coimbra, moderate coffee consumption can extend healthy lifespan by an additional 1.8 years. Before we dive deeper into this secret, please hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel right now so we can build a community of healthy and sharp-minded seniors together. Stay until the end of the video because I will reveal a special powder that one study has proven can improve mobility in the elderly by more than 40%, a highly valuable piece of information that very few people in the West are applying today. We'll start right away with the first ingredient that miraculously stabilizes blood sugar and protects your muscle mass. 1. Cinnamon powder, the silent gatekeeper for blood sugar and muscle mass. Have you ever wondered why your energy crashes so severely in the middle of the morning, making your legs feel heavier? The answer lies in blood sugar fluctuations, and cinnamon powder is the natural savior that miraculously stabilizes this condition. Inside this aromatic spice is cinnamaldehyde, a plant compound that interacts directly at the cellular level to make insulin receptors more sensitive. This is especially important for older adults because as we age, cells often become insulin-resistant, causing sugar to accumulate in the blood instead of being converted into energy for muscles. According to a notable study, regular consumption of just about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day can significantly improve fasting blood sugar levels. A small but extremely valuable tip that few people know: prioritize Ceylon cinnamon, also called the true cinnamon, because it contains much lower levels of coumarin compared to the common cassia cinnamon found in supermarkets, protecting the liver during long-term use. When blood sugar is kept stable, your body reduces oxidative stress, which is a silent culprit behind premature aging and the stiff joints commonly seen in later years. Additionally, cinnamon has a natural warming effect, promoting blood circulation to the extremities, helping those who often have cold hands and feet feel more comfortable and flexible in daily activities. The combination of antioxidants in coffee and the anti-inflammatory properties of cinnamon creates a shield that protects the vascular system, allowing you to start the day alert without worrying about shakiness or rapid heartbeat from caffeine. Are you ready to replace those calorie-laden spoons of sugar with a small pinch of cinnamon to protect the strength of your legs starting tomorrow? Next, we'll explore another golden powder that can protect your heart as enduringly as the warriors of Panama. 2. Pure cocoa powder is the golden key for cardiovascular health and endurance. Sugar-free cocoa powder is not just an ingredient for delicious drinks, it's a superfood packed with enormous amounts of flavanols, compounds that miraculously improve blood circulation and support muscle recovery. Flavanols in cocoa help blood vessels relax by improving endothelial function, thereby enhancing the transport of oxygen and nutrients to the gradually weakening muscle mass in older adults. A classic medical example of cocoa's power is the Cuna people of Panama. They consume more than 4 cups of cocoa per week, and as a result, they almost never suffer from age-related high blood pressure or cardiovascular diseases. According to data from a meta-analysis published by the Discovery Scientific Society, consuming flavanol-rich cocoa products can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 37%. Beyond physical benefits, cocoa contains a small amount of serotonin, which improves mood and reduces mild depressive symptoms, bringing optimism to the elderly. An interesting side note, when you mix cocoa powder into coffee, you create a double punch of energy. Caffeine keeps the brain sharp, while flavanols protect blood vessel walls from free radical attacks. A small tip for you. Always choose 100% pure cocoa powder and avoid pre-mixed powders with lots of sugar and artificial flavors, which are enemies of blood pressure. When blood flows smoothly, you'll feel your legs lighter with every step, and fatigue will no longer be a barrier to your morning walks. Have you ever thought that your morning cup of coffee could become such an inexpensive yet effective cardiovascular therapy? But a healthy heart alone is not enough. Your brain also needs a special energy source to stay away from the shadow of Alzheimer's, which the next ingredient will thoroughly address. 3. MCT Oil Powder, clean fuel that banishes memory decline concerns. While our bodies typically rely on glucose, the brains of older adults sometimes struggle to metabolize this sugar source, leading to brain fog and cognitive decline. This is where MCT, medium-chain triglycerides oil powder, comes in as an extremely effective backup fuel because it is rapidly metabolized by the liver into ketones, a clean energy source that can cross the blood-brain barrier to immediately nourish nerve cells. Unlike regular fats, MCTs require no complex digestion, providing instant energy to both muscles and brain without causing excess fat accumulation. According to research from Bubs Naturals, MCT supplementation has shown clear improvements in cognition, with about 80% of participants achieving stable or improved cognitive scores after consistent use. In addition to supporting memory, MCT oil powder mixed into coffee creates a prolonged feeling of fullness, aids in burning abdominal fat, a nagging issue for many after age 60 due to slowed metabolism. An important tip for beginners, start with a small dose, just about 1 teaspoon per day, to allow the digestive system to adjust and avoid unnecessary bloating or discomfort. Switching to this good fat energy source helps you avoid energy crashes or sugar cravings in the middle of the day, keeping your mind steady throughout the long day. The natural creaminess of MCT also makes it easy to give up artificial creamers that contain harmful trans fats for the arteries. Do you ever feel your memory flickering like an old light bulb, and would you like to replace the battery with this special oil? However, to maintain mobility independence, we need a stronger foundation for muscle mass, and the next section will reveal the smartest way to supplement protein. 4. Protein powder. Whey and milk protein powder, the nemesis of age-related muscle loss. After age 60, the human body enters a phase that scientists call anabolic resistance, meaning your muscles no longer respond strongly to dietary protein as before, leading to a loss of up to 8% of muscle mass per decade. To combat this, adding whey or milk protein powder to coffee is not just a preference, it's a vital strategy to protect flexibility. Whey protein is the protein source with the highest leucine content, the amino acid that acts as a switch to powerfully activate muscle building and recovery. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults supplementing with whey protein can increase lean muscle mass by up to 38% compared to those on a regular diet. For those sensitive to lactose, soy protein or nut milk powders are excellent alternatives, as they provide isoflavones that effectively protect bones and the cardiovascular system. Nutrition expert Kate Patton from Cleveland Clinic notes that adding protein early in the morning boosts metabolism and prevents muscle loss after a long night without nutrient intake. Just a splash of milk or a small scoop of protein powder adds 4 to 6 grams of valuable protein to your body, helping maintain balance and reduce fall risk. A small tip: if using protein powder, stir it into iced coffee to avoid clumping, or use a handheld frother to create a delicious proffee like at cafes. When muscle mass is strengthened, carrying groceries or climbing a few flights of stairs will no longer be an overwhelming challenge. Have you ever noticed your hands becoming shaky or weaker when doing housework? It's time to supplement the ingredients to rebuild that strength today. But the story of flexibility still has one extremely important chapter: collagen, the glue that binds your entire musculoskeletal system, which I'll share right after this. 5. Collagen powder, the glue that revives flexibility for joints and bones. If you think of your body as a house, collagen is the cement that binds the bricks of muscle, bone, and joints together. However, a worrying truth is that after age 60, the body's ability to produce collagen naturally declines by about 1% per year. This is why we start hearing creaking in the knees, feel stiff fingers in the morning, or take longer to recover from normal physical activities. Adding a scoop of collagen powder to coffee is not just a beauty trend, it's a medical measure that provides essential amino acids like glycine and proline to repair connective tissues. According to a 2022 study, older adults who regularly supplemented with collagen reported significant improvements in mobility and reduced joint discomfort compared to non-users. Take Robert, a 70-year-old man passionate about gardening, who once had to give up his hobby due to persistent knee pain. After 8 weeks of consistently adding collagen to his morning coffee, he could kneel to tend his flower beds without groaning in pain. An interesting tip: the caffeine in coffee actually promotes blood circulation, acting as a transporter to deliver collagen nutrients to the joints faster. You only need about 10 grams of unflavored collagen powder. It dissolves completely into coffee without altering the original flavor. Would you like your legs to regain flexibility so you can enjoy trips with your grandchildren instead of sitting still due to joint pain? Next, we'll move to a powder that reverses muscle loss at the cellular level, a solution highly trusted by veteran athletes. 6. Whey protein powder, the nemesis of anabolic resistance. As we age, our bodies increasingly enter a state of anabolic resistance, a phenomenon scientists use to describe muscle cells no longer responding effectively to protein from regular food as before. This means even if you eat a piece of meat, your body struggles to convert it into sustainable muscle mass. This is why whey protein powder becomes an indispensable weapon for people over 60. As it contains extremely high levels of leucine, the amino acid considered the switch that activates muscle building. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition proved that older adults supplementing with whey protein increased lean muscle mass by up to 38% compared to non-users. Another clinical trial also showed that daily whey consumption significantly improved walking speed and balance, key factors for maintaining independence in old age. Look at the story of Helen, 67, who once felt exhausted carrying her market basket. After adding a scoop of whey to her coffee for a while, she noticed her arms becoming firmer and stairs no longer a nightmare. A small tip: use whey isolate for easier digestion and to avoid bloating if you're sensitive to lactose. This change not only preserves physical strength, but also protects you from dangerous fall risks. Have you ever wondered why you eat enough, but your body still becomes thinner and weaker? This is the answer you've been looking for. However, muscle strength needs to go hand in hand with a healthy digestive system and smart fats, which the next ingredient will bring you. 7. Ground chia seed powder, the lubricant for the musculoskeletal system and brain. Chia seeds are often called tiny superfoods, but for older adults, their value lies in their abundant omega-3, fiber, and plant protein, rarely matched by other seeds. A sad reality is that most elderly people consume less than half the necessary omega-3 daily, leading to chronic joint inflammation, abdominal fat accumulation, and memory decline. When you grind chia seeds into powder and add it to hot coffee, these compounds are released, reducing deep inflammation in muscle fibers and protecting brain blood vessels. Listen to the case of George, 70, who struggled with chronic constipation and fatigue. He described the feeling after using ground chia as like oiling an engine, making everything from digestion to movement run smoothly. Science explains that chia's fiber stabilizes blood sugar, while omega-3 acts as a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. An interesting fact few know: never use whole chia seeds in coffee because they can pass through the digestive system unabsorbed. Instead, use finely ground chia powder to maximize nutrient release. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough to notice a difference in your waistline and joint flexibility. Are you ready to invest an extra 30 seconds each morning to lubricate your entire body? And now we come to the final ingredient, the powder considered the king in anti-aging, capable of increasing muscle strength by more than 40% according to some Asian studies. 8. Turmeric powder combined with black pepper, the golden shield against inflammation and artery protection. In first place is the combination of turmeric powder and a pinch of black pepper, a powerful natural solution to stop silent inflammation, the #1 enemy of aging. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that protects arteries, reduces joint pain, and even supports muscle strength regeneration. However, curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. The secret lies in black pepper, which increases curcumin absorption into the blood by an astonishing 2,000 times. Inflammation not only causes pain, but also destroys lean muscle tissue and hardens blood vessel walls, leading to heart disease and memory loss. Take the story of Satoshi, 73, a gardening enthusiast who had to quit due to knee joint pain. After using the turmeric and black pepper mixture in coffee, he not only returned to gardening, but his doctor was amazed at how his blood inflammation markers dropped significantly, allowing him to move like someone a decade younger. A small tip for those who fear turmeric's bitterness: add a bit of cinnamon or honey. The coffee's bitterness will blend with the turmeric aroma to create a very special and warming drink. According to medical reviews, curcumin also protects the brain from the accumulation of harmful proteins linked to Alzheimer's. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder to your morning coffee is the cheapest yet most comprehensive health-protecting method you can do. Do you feel those aches and pains stealing the joy from your days? It's time for turmeric and black pepper to help you reclaim that comfort. Taking care of health doesn't have to be huge or expensive changes. Sometimes it just starts with a small pinch of powder in your morning coffee cup. Please hit like and subscribe once more so we have more motivation to bring you valuable scientific information to help you live longer and healthier. However, I must give a serious warning. According to a study from the Curious Medical Organization, high-dose caffeine abuse combined with blood-thinning medications like aspirin can increase the risk of intracranial hemorrhage in the elderly. If you are taking cardiovascular or blood pressure medications, always consult your doctor before adding any new ingredient to your diet. Don't let yourself become part of those heartbreaking statistics about illness. Take action today to protect your independence and joy in life. In the next video, I will share about the mind diet, the eating method scientifically proven to rejuvenate the brain by up to 7 years, an extremely important topic for anyone who wants to keep their mind sharp. Wishing you always strong and peaceful health. See you in the upcoming videos.